Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will take a look on the Mutable Sample project, which came from Epic itself and gave you this character editor so we can customize our character. For example, we can remove the shirt or change the arm and gave him some makeup here. Then we can confirm the configuration, and when we hit the infinity level we can play as our customized character. So let's go. When you open up the Mutable Sample project, of course, links in the description, you get already the character editor. So all we have to do is to make this playable. For that, we go on Add Feature Content Pack, and select the third person template here, Add to Project. Then we open up our character actor here. We need to remove this part here where we set the animation instance, because we will set it later. But make sure to connect the set leader pose component, very important. Then we go to the viewport. As you can see, there's our character. We go to the class settings, search for the third person character and select it. Then we take the head and move to the mesh. Reset the location and the rotation, and then we select the mesh and type in visible and uncheck the visible. Now we need to fix the animation, as you can see. For that we select the mesh again and hit this browse button here. Here we have the unarmed animation blueprint, right click, retarget animation, and we select the target skeleton. This will be the SK base body. So it fits, as you can see. We can select now the animation blueprint and hit export animations. Go to character, animation, export, export. Save everything. Now we have an animation blueprint unarmed for our custom character. We select it, go back to our blueprint here, select the head and the body, and put the animation class right here. And that's already it. We fixed the animation. So we can close this one here. Next, we need the level. So we go to File, New Level, and choose a level of your choice. Let's choose the open world one, just for example. Then we hit Save. Save this as test, for example. Then we go to Edit, Project Settings, Maps and Modes. We select the third person game mode. Under default pawn class, we select our character actor here. That's it. So we can close this one. Go back to our lobby map here. We want to save this. Then we open up the level blueprint here. Go to load infinity level and just put in the test level right here. Compile and save this. The last step is we open up the character, animation, unarmed animation blueprint. Go to the animation graph, and here we have the control rig for the IK trace. We set this to 0 because our custom character don't have this one. And that's it. We hit play. We can customize our character, for example, by unequip the shirt, set the arm, and gave him some makeup, confirm the configuration, and select the infinity level. And now we can walk around as our custom character. Great! In the next tutorial I will show you how you can create your own character editor. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.